shocks. So tell me, where did I go wrong? You still don't give a fuck. Me fly with mommy, plastic surgery, Dr. 90210. Oh, Papa Crown, but you're the baby. If you don't know now, you know. But now it's time to go. Don't want you no more. And that's the way we end the show. Bye.
All these years I've always been by your side. Look at me now, all I can do is cry. All I can do is cry. My heart, baby. Way too free, he'll be so me more a day. Pain in my heart can't be defined. All I can say is why.
The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
So many secrets are the time. Sana William, that's a name. Boy, be out in the bed.
Hello there, this is your favorite girl, Adwuma-Adwuma, and you're listening to Papa Nap Host.
So where did I go wrong? You just tell me, where did I go wrong? Me live my life in my one now said, me never time for just too long. Gave my life to you, me dem come on the mouth, so Jennifer, Nyabedi, Nyabeshe, Africa, baby, Abeda, been jamming me on the fees. I'm at your Sakano, school dropout, Kakrobi DNT, what the tanker drivers never out. You know the horror, I'm so disgusting. Get it to me, drive.
Hello there, this is your favorite girl, Adwuma-Adwuma, and you're listening to Papa Nap Host. What?
Sorry, Hintinia would pick beer, I would timid dear me. Now we're paying you now, kind of mea mawo. Mechivia Simunina, many of your servo. If you many more, will be what's my favor. Cause I'm in love with you now. Put a bomb, girl, I'm in love with you now. Said I'm in love with you now. Girl, I'm in love with you now. Said I'm in love with you now. Girl, I'm in love with you now. You were always on my mind. Said I'm in love with you now. And I promise on my life, I'm in love with you now. What else? Now, girl, I'm in love with you now. Now.
Sorry, you took my heart, ripped it out, and you stomped on it. Yeah, I'm crying, yeah, you lied to me. Boy, I should have known you would do it to me. And if you know over to me, I am on me. Cause I gave it all to you, and you old I am me. I know I miss you, but I can't do it. Cause I'm in love with you now. I'm in love with you now. I'm in love with you now.
Have a blessed day.
It's a man West, no one by one, give us a true. A piano made the book as an amount of year, what bomb is true. Yes, if I'm a bonnet chair and I put me in the sewer. Now, tell an amend about tear me job home alone. The peer condab one tear me sound so do me phone. And ram my fire, so I'm changing my voice, the tone. Yes, now I'm so ashamed, can't even call you my own. Tell the body from a bonnet chair, and I would jam a hot yam. Now, become a papa, would jam, I'm money, I'm Saka me one tabaka se me too. If you have any mesenia me yeah, would you pay me never. Yes.
Promises were weak, you could never keep. I try to understand why my love will still remain. 'Cause I love you, baby, want you, baby, the only one who can make me say before I make you my boo. But you're not really ready for this glow. I could see Annie, Jessica, and meet me. Every other night's a different girl, I can't believe it. Do I have to tell you how I feel before you see me? Can you tell me why? Why, oh, why, oh, can you tell me why, oh, why, oh, why, who you taking home tonight? I didn't feel you when I know the lie, but who you taking home tonight? Go and say, boy, who you taking home tonight? I didn't feel you when I know the lie. Who you taking home tonight? Where you and your mom and I so make say who jive. Baby boy, I got your back, intimacy guy. Tell me could I not you promise who die? Where you and your mom and I so make say who jive. Baby boy, I got your back, intimacy guy. I hate that I love you. Oh,
The mid-morning show, have a blessed day.
who you taking home tonight? I didn't feel you when I know the lie, but who you taking home tonight? Go and say, boy, who you taking home tonight? I didn't feel you when I know the lie. Who you taking home tonight? I could see Annie, Jessica, and meet me. Every other night's a different girl, I can't believe it. Do I have to tell you how I feel before you see me? Can you tell me why? Why, oh, why, oh, can you tell me why, oh, why,
Hello there, this is your favorite girl, Anna, and you're listening to Kwabena Host once again.
Good and there is no doubt I will stay with you as each morning brings a sunrise and the flowers bloom in springtime. On my love and you can rely. I will stay with you. Oh, I will stay with you through your ups and your downs. I will stay with you when no one else is around. And when the dark clouds are gray, I will stay by your side. And I know we'll be alright. I Oh, I will stay with you. Oh, I will stay with you through your ups and your downs. I will stay with you when no one else is around. And when the dark comes, I will stay by your side. And I know you'll be alright. I will stay with you.
For so long, only trying to please myself. Girl, I was caught up in her lust.
Mid-morning show, the mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
Oh no, I know I should have treated you better, but me and you were meant to last forever. So let me in, give me another chance, yeah, man. 'Cause when the roof caved in and the truth came out, I just didn't know what to do.
Hello there, this is your favorite girl, Abi Anna, and you're listening to Promotional Purposes.
Knowing that I let our love go, and ooh, what I do, for one chance, I just gotta let you know. I know what I did wasn't clever, but me and you were meant to be together. So let me in, give me another chance, yeah, man. 'Cause when the roof caved in and the truth came out, I just didn't know what to do. But when I become a star, we'll be living so large, I'll do anything for you. So tell me, girl,
What you say? That you only did well, because you did what you say. That it's all for the best.
The mid-morning show, the mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
don't want you to leave me, though you got me cheating. Tell me what
The
you
mid-morning
say.
show, the mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
Things ain't right, girl. Tell me what you say. I don't want you to leave me, though you got me cheating. Tell me what you say.
Hello there, this is your favorite girl, Abi Anna, and you're listening to Promotional Purposes.
Ooh, I met a girl this morning. She was love at first sight. Ooh, I met a girl this morning, and she was beauty to my eyes. I asked her where she from, she tell me in the tropics. She asked me what's my name, I tell her I am Connie. And I said, girl, tell me what's your name, and she tell me that her name is Jamaica. And I said, smile, girl, smile. Smile for me, Jamaica. And I said, smile, girl, smile. Ooh, Lord, smile for me, Jamaica. And never you cry, here am I. Yeah, I'm here for you, Jamaica. Dry your eyes, girl, smile. Smile for me, Jamaica. Lord, hey, she have a rich history. A beautiful woman with the sweetest gifts. Beautiful sunrise and an evening kiss of a nice sunset on the evening season. But she tell me, say she tired. Tired of the exploit and the liars. She give them.
Hello Ghana, this is your girl Priscaline and I'm tuning to Kwabna Kosti.
But I say, don't you worry yourself, mama. Hey, Chronix is here to your help, mama. Ooh, I said, no worry yourself, mommy. One thing me, I beg you do for me. And I said, smile, girl, smile. Smile for me, Jamaica. And I said, smile, girl, smile. Hey, smile for me, Jamaica. Never you cry, here am I. Girl, I'm here for you, Jamaica. What must I try? Oh, my. That she asked me, and this I want me say, a sweet, sweet chronics, I give them. The one drop beat, one a rhythm. I you give them bob with a different step in. I you give them bolt, nobody can run left him. Boy, but see ya, they must think you say you're out of ideas. You give them art and sweet literature.
You're gonna make the world see the better picture. I said no worry yourself, mama. Chronics is here to your help, mama.
The mid-morning show, the mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
One thing me I beg you do. And I said smile, yeah, smile, boy. Smile for me, Jamaica. And I said smile, yeah, smile. Wah, 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 wah. Smile for me, Jamaica. Never you cry, you're a mile. Everything nice, for me, Jamaica. And I said smile.
Them say one feel it to them heart when them get you overstand the real thing. Yeah, me day at town one day, I part with a white man we come all the way from Norway, and him turn to me and say, how comes Jamaica full of so much screw face? Same time I lift me head to the sky, and a teardrop fall from me high. Me say my youth come and go out for a drive. Let me show you why me cry. Look on the gully side. Do you see anything to smile about? Look at that hungry child, yeah. Do you see anything to smile about? Look at the schools where the youth them go forget them education. Do you see anything to smile about? Look at the conditions of our police stations. Do you see anything to smile about?
The mid-morning show, the mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
How can the nation be living this way? And the next thing him say, how can the government play so many games? Same time my heart fall to the ground, cause there's much more where that comes from. Certain place they are worse than slum. Youth man come and take a look on Riverton. Do you see anything to smile about? Look on Pienland, yeah. Do you see anything to smile about? Flankers Mobe and Cyprus Heights in Spain. Do you see anything to smile about? What flats can tire mud town, they're all the same. Do you see anything to smile about? No, no. No, 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 no.
The mid-morning show, the mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
No people come to Jamaica and don't know how we live things. Say everything nice, true, we full of vibes and things. Them same one feel it to them heart when them get free overstand the real thing. When them look on the gully side, them no see nothing they fi smile about. When them look on a hungry child, yeah. Them no see nothing they fi smile about. When them look on the schools where the youth them got to get them education, them no see nothing they fi smile about. When them sight up the condition of the police station, them no see nothing they fi smile about. My story say, me day at town one day, I part with a white man we come all the way from Norway, and him turn to me and say, how comes Jamaica full of so much screw face? Same time I lift me head to the sky, and a teardrop fall from me high. Me say my youth come with God for a drive. Let me show you why me cry.
The mid-morning show, the mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
Cause you only need the light when it's burning low.
Hello there, this is your favorite girl, Abi Anna, and you're listening to Promotional Purposes.
Only know you've been high when you're feeling low. Only hate the road when you're missing home. Only know you love her when you let her go. And you let her go. Why did you let her go? Why did you let her go? Staring at an empty glass, hoping one day you'll make a dream last. But dreams come slow and they go so fast. See how when you close your eyes, maybe one day you'll understand why everything you touch surely die. Oh, oh. Cause you only need the light when it's burning low. Only hate the road when you're missing home. Only know you love her when you let her go. Oh, oh. Only know you've been high when you're feeling low. Only miss the sun when it starts to snow. Only know you love her when you let her go. Oh. Staring at the ceiling in the dark, same old empty feeling in your heart. Love comes slow and it goes so fast. Oh baby, yeah, you see her when you go to sleep. Now never to touch and never to keep, cause you missed so much and you dive too deep. Oh yes, cause you only need the light when it's burning low. Only miss the sun when it starts to snow. Only know you love her when you let her go. You let her go. Oh, only know you've been high when you're feeling low. Only hate the road when you're missing home. Only know you love her when you let her go. You let her go. And you let her go. And you let her go.
The mid-morning show, have a blessed day.
All I can see.
Barbara Kwasi, and your papa dear, one album, Khaled and Trabian to feel what. Shino, Odumani, now was some
all I can see. Sometimes I try to make them true.
I never thought it could be until I saw him and tried. Oh, the source of his feet on the heat to his peak. It shall be well, it shall be well. Oh Lord, my cup is full and my soul is my soul. Many are called, but chosen are few. My cup is full and I help with you. It's good to the top and drop like you. And you walk one little.
The mid-morning show, have a blessed day.
Cry no more, cry no more, my brother, cry no more. Yeah.
All I can see. Sometimes I try to make them true.
I keep dreaming my big dreams.
All I can see. Sometimes I try to make them true.
I've been walking all day, trying to find some bread and butter, bread and butter. Oh Lord, that time will tell the poor man still the one time nice and a better place to live. What they want to make it, oh yeah, every night I pray, they want to go. Oh my sister, cry no more.
Sometimes I try to make them true. All I can see. Sometimes I try to make them true.
Well, I've been on top of Mount Zion, looking up to Jah to set down one and red. Oh, the stars will be my guide. Oh, the sun will be my hope. As long as there is life, I know Jah will let me down. Hey. All I can see,
Someone waiting in a box and holding on to such a task.
The mid-morning
That's
show,
why I said it's from me.
have a blessed day.
Oh Lord, don't let me cheat on my girlfriend. Cause as far as I can see, she loves only me. Oh Lord, don't let me cheat on my girlfriend. But Lord, if you can stop me from cheating, just don't let me get caught. No, don't let me get caught. No, don't let me get caught. So hope I don't get caught. So listen to me now. It's such a sticky situation, yeah. Me promise my girl if you only look in her direction, but everywhere me turn, me see her next one. And my body too. It's unfair, I
some of the prayers we take very serious.
Think about my lady.
That's right. So 42 minutes after 10, 93.3 of So dear Lord, we ask you to give us the strength and the zeal not to cheat on our girlfriends. Dear Lord, this is our sincere prayer. And I mean, if you can help us from cheating, please do not let them catch us. We don't want to be caught and all of that. Hey, right, so music from Christopher Martin, because this one cheater's prayer. And that brings us to Zali for the 3 minutes after 10, 93.3 of certainly, my name still remains Jenny Me Champon Kobina Boaten, Komi Kobina Kosti, Branty the perfect gentleman. Right, so show produced by Kobe K. And folks, we are on from now to 12 p.m. Send us a text on 0533898915. You can also join the show live on Facebook. Let's get interactive on our social media handles on Facebook, on Instagram, and also on Twitter. As you say, X. Let's get interactive. Right, so you have to now see the Joe. Yes, some more. From now to 12 p.m. And there, certainly our daily dose of motivations will come in your way. And also, Counselor Edwin is back. Counselor's column is back. And today we're going to talk about the role of a modern husband and a wife. The role of the modern husband and the wife. So this is what we're going to talk about today on the show with Counselor Edwin Boahen. Stay tuned, man. Sometimes when I talk about modern husband and when I talk about modern wives, people think and I'm a 4-hour Arabia. But someone can be old, but can also be a modern husband. You know what I'm trying to say? Yes, until then, stay tuned with Counselor. Counselor, so when I was young, I see older people getting married and all of that. You know, see kids getting married. I'm asking myself, hey, what is going on? I check and see Mr. Orbin, my patron want to sound pay. It's unfair, I can't deny. I'm for you when come for Steve of Sanford's Ventures here, no fashion. I'm sending for you in the back up. I know pay me the yourself here now for you when come Mr. William Beck. Mr. William Beck, who one should out. Have a Nash. Watch him send you do and say good morning. Maybe I will go. And come on, comfort. Nana Yao. Natural Look Beauty Salon, Kate and Daisy, more Bompire Junction. And also, and come on, Bra Michael or SDA Junction. Don't let me get caught. My patron pay me chow. Only Frida, exclusive beauty salon. She never make it. And our friends will come Mama Hannah. When me sit down, I'm a mediate. Mama Hannah. She knows that she getting it. Our SDA Junction. To a man, so we set it. Special gobes. See how we delivery. This is gobe no delivery. Do SDA Junction. Mama will sort you out. Mama Vida with Jubilee Bridge and some patch on the pay want to say. Pama dear with Jubilee Bridge and so good morning. And come on. I've been meeting checkers here and so come on. Parties go this is just as that beauty salon. And I feel level 360 ladies in England. Good morning. Dependable beauty salon. Manuel Amauga. Masha Beauty Salon, DJ Lion, who are coming in Junction with Charities Fashion, and our Jaji, we now more coming in Junction, Dr. Kwame Taylor, Mr. Sari, who are Quality Fashion. Brad David and Rami, who Brad David were whom me. Sorry, Casa Brad David Coba, send you a bit trust serving or the Kawan bit trust serving. Brad David did the cow and nature 7. How are you do? Brad David trust everyone can move with a kawan side for from. Makawane we are boss on it to bring. That's right. Brad David, I don't feel much what to say. But I'm himself back on honeymoon. Brad David, who are last week? Yeah, Kali's called honeymoon. Eh, oh no, but I'm going to just say. Don't pink, can't don't pin. That's a honeymoon, they're necessary. Worry about traffic, honeymoon, on your banner, opera preacher. Ayana, and our chumba community. You're going to be not just a people if we are honey. I have a tipper. But check him 1 to 1 to be. It was a brother David, I bet chill. And I'm saying, man, shouldn't say. Bisa was from chum aku mesti shadow Pasco what is it Stagger bro bibi apa ko afi en koma Obama Oba Tampa Jonathan Ambrose Richmond Jerry Pierrot Rakwami Yokesie Apia Ena Amos Change our money no pay. And you say Bibiaboko and Chayan and Crash House and Bebrel. And then the counselor, you share the rule of the modern husband and the wife. So stay tuned. Good morning and have a wonderful and blessed day.
The Mid Morning Show.
And according to some rumors I made today, I bet you said this is the song GH Hyper has been playing since morning. This is the song GH Hyper has been praying since morning. Everything's going to be alright. So yesterday, me Namadan so tell me around 11, yeah, and you maybe 11 more. So I went on Twitter, and as I went on X, and I realized Ajia for real was trending number 2. I was like, yo, what's up with Ajia? Let me go find out, or let me go check it out. And I say, and that's the news. Now Ajia trending in and now U.S. courts, I find it. Now someone say, yo, I mean, she's guilty of whatever she was doing, all of that. And I didn't say make sure Sika is one here. No, we always answer serving like 5 years prison terms. I'm like, hey. So, and then my mama drink call back and me say, why is it not this same GH Hyper that came to tell us, say, Ajia has deactivated all her social media handles and she's going to school, she's going to study, she's going to focus on her studies and all that. So, what happened to the 5 years and what happened? She's here. It's like GH Hyper is trying to confuse us. And yesterday on his Instagram story too, he was defending and he was saying everything's going to be alright. There's nothing to worry about. They know what they are doing and all of that. And hey, go for us. I say, oh my me, I'm gonna say, oh my me, that was oh my me, na say what's what that. Yeah, yeah, say club higher here. Okay, so she's been asked to pay about $2 million or something. And I know Jessica frauding Kofono. I said 2024 money away. I said money about last year 2023. I think it was 2022 ending her baby in a semi Trinity. And 2023, hey. And I see I'm on a house arrest in the US. Okay. And the people say no credit. People say, you man, now for the babies, no. You say hash puppy level, where she hash puppy. I said, I am there, but I am straight. The reason why I am straight is easy and conformity or one of my own. I'm a Kahona Ghana man, be brain. I'm here, no one comes somewhere. Because you people are, I mean, always on our faces or in our faces. Na suban bi ni ade. You see, my man who says 7 you move on chame. I saw the home will be answer why ye. Ebi munsu feel say like on you. Some of us we were in the game before this girl came, and all of a sudden, hey, she's making money and all of that. And I thought I was now they nkwa we are the wunye sika ibi. What I say, I understand. Also your bear my minim sir. But Charlie, the level of these people, them are richness and all of that. I am in same bre obi Ghana you suban. The moment obi be fear say oye yen tentem no. Na you finding your source of income. What I say? Ewo krom ha. Say Nyankopon kra na ehira wo kra ye hu adwuma wo ye de ye be attribute wo sika sem na say wo ye yo no to be foforo. What's that? I don't know if I'm communicating. Say young boy be fear say oh ye young girl be fear say oh ye na ye busa oye adwuma ben adwuma ye we 90 ema wonya say sika we adwuma we because Ajia for real then I know ye Ajia for real no ye then. Now, I mean, she was just an influencer on social media, on Instagram, and I'll say, and go for for adverts, or pushti, she charged for adverts and all of that. Fine, you didn't say influencers and they are getting much money. All of a sudden, she enters music with just 5 songs, and she's telling us that she bought those big cars, those big mansions with just 5 songs. Meanwhile, Komavo has been doing music like God knows how long. Picanto Komavo and Toby. These things will make people ask questions. What did I say? Going on holidays, expensive holidays and all that with just 5 songs. Now streaming the crowd, saying everybody. What did I say? You have 5 songs in the chain, grandpa. Some of your friends say things you do on social media, people pay you for you to post them and all that. Yenim's at the point she was with Shatwale and most of the artists and all of that. But I know crampon would you be a chair car? What did I say? It's sometimes on me, I am a catching of for saying whatever you are doing, say illegal, and I say illegal crowd, keep it on the low. Keep it on the low. The moment you start to say, oh, frontier your wealth and go phone you, me to a day, me to get money, now any about home. Now, I just for real, I say, GH Hyper is telling us, I say, we have nothing to worry about. Everything will be okay. Fine. You same GH Hyper, but catch and say, Aja has deactivated her social media platforms and she wants to study. She wants to focus on her studies. Fine. Now this is the case. Yesterday she was trending number 2 on X. Everyone was saying, say, over 75 years jail term. If and also you no credit there, any Aja didn't want to say more. Well, I hope say, get your Dubai is here. Friends say, they also an actress here in the movie Credit 5 years. Oh, fine guy and took a cracker. Been to. Aja been to. I hope say Oshe. I hope say Oshe be. Aja been to Adwuma be. Also actress so. Me hear the movie can put out. Me hear Aja been to movies rather. I hope she's watching what is happening to her for real. Alright, so the leaders of motivation real quick can I hear to us. Where they became keke. Where they became. On a more serious note, Adia we be and keep it on the low. Keep it on the low. Keep it on the low. Come tell her trouble for see good day on to thank you. Cause today is my own lovely daughter Nelly Nana Equia Aqua Edu. It's her birthday. Wish her for me. Come tell her what I play. Play the board the DB say to God and give her a long life. Okay. And to come tell her sending about birthday Nelly Nana Equia Aqua Edu and the birthday Nyankopon also obon party Nyankopon emanu kwantintin na onyinche. Right, so now come ela eba a birthday. Eti yanko your daily dose of motivations yankran sha sem. And then yankran sha sem net about love, about odo. And you know, you the twem titi. In the meantime, brother David so say honeymoon and first come back. I agree with him. Many they are doing honeymoon and first come back. The here say our na the necessary. We are numrena na ya bought bear 4 rounds be na adechimande ya Adwuma honeymoon first come back. Right, so your daily dose of motivation. And then me person what say also we are different our brabom. Yes. Yeah, so there's this man book na that make sure some make kind of. Or say they told me I was different. And that is the best compliment ever. So you catch us so you're different at all. And it should be the best compliment ever. So obi a can for panel. Now I catch us so you're different. It should be the best compliment. The best compliment ever. My in Charles here. You see here no. Any bebre follow adia bako. So we Adwuma bi si ho no ma o be realize say enipa say ye nipa 10 si ho no ma emu 6 esa ade no enipa be brave follow ade back I just say bibi amba na obi ade ekire bi bibi antwiniti amba na obi a kobi bibi amba na just say nipa dom na obi ade ekire but the war me say aya different ma enipa hu say we soronko ma nipa hu say you don't follow trend, you don't follow the crowd, you are on your own, you don't copy people. You don't want to be the duplicate of someone else. Be an original version of yourself. My young said we are different. That should be the best compliment I'll be now as so. Again, we see that should be the best compliment. So do not follow trend. Obi aye bintimi so mi koyebi. Ye bibi fufro. Na yen kase asomasi ene ye we. We ene ye we. When a train adwin esi bibi so. What you say? Then if I say ya bi. Na won kwa se there bi. Ma steady ade na hu say I am normal. Obi aye bi. Why don't I try a different thing, a new one? Na entry obi adwin so. Then who say me a strong. Sa na was say obi abona brabo. Sa na was say obi abona brabo. Obia e was say oye different. Na say na obi say oko ware na ohwe sika e won account mu. Ohwa enso and the Ebuzan I didn't was a bro. Me shed ya, me neighbor, na na you from the pan, as a missing so. My guy, I'll send me the chance and I say, I'll send me the drusa pepe. It's Missy Canenso. And as it 2 years serious. She said, I rather a competition. Oh, I am my young say fit. And I say, oh, worry, I just don't get it. And now, obedi bra be the example, actually say. When he was about to get married, or catcher and the wife to be, say, me pasa ye the normal thing people used to do, reception, this. And yes, I mean to me, you met my pan, but I want us to do something small with your family and my family. Nipa ka create keke, nipa background point do 15. Let's do this. Let's go to court and sign. Na we are post on social media. Na ko poncha de onya oba wote na asamase oba na tiase. You know what? After everything, 1 year anniversary, the guy bought the lady a Benz. 1 year anniversary. Or say, I want to be different. I don't want to follow trend. I don't want to do people like the styles people are doing. Now, like I say, hey, me kunye bi mame. The person me no kono kwatrekwa. Now you who see I kono kwatrekwa. But our first anniversary, I will also do something na. One year you fro kese na enye bi mama yeremo. I want to be different. I want to be different. And tell your friend, who have say, now then a boy, a boy pan why you say, but in the 1 year anniversary, he bought a Benz for his wife. And 1 year you frock a crack and a 1 year anniversary, and we sign a 1 year anniversary, almost top Benz man. You see, so the guy has been different among them. This is what I'm trying to say. And yes, I want to call you frost and I say, top Benz movie. Made this set example again. What I'm trying to tell you that sometimes do not follow trend. And yes, obi aye binti no so yebi. Obi aye binti so adore come some person yebi. Try something new. Create something on your own. Be different among your friends. Ye hu nipa edua. Ye hu say wo you stand out different. Won kwa usu sronko. Won kwa won ye won kwa dressing, won kwa kasa, onyoma bi different. E wo nan fufuo mu. What I say? Be different. Anopay we ena yede ema ye twa ye ho abahye a
se wa fa mukro na yaru be du muntum kura yesu bebrebe ya besi mu yi ana
bra kwesi me kunu pnia na epne se me fa ni nkoni krom wo ko ni malaria tete ne dodo
ava one herbal capsules ene ne mesha ebubu yare gu for me monte ene mde ade asie mu se ba no koko yare ade a edura ohia ne ava one herbal capsules ebu adwuma pa na ne mesha me kira ava one herbal mesha so de malaria sro no kokokoko etu malaria se wenu mu ato awana de umpo mu ayemre Bobby, Omodosu Yana drugstores and herbal shops. Jomo number 05544800062. Avanoye ALVA. Edro inya mapping for Nyoma ne benu for. Ene abofra on the fiedumien. Oya malaria test. Na say positive. We durani ava one herbal mixture. Wa akimoda open dudu etua. Ubehu omo pepiase ampedu. Omo Akim State College junction ne so. Abu main road ne so. Ubenye biso ato a 14 drugstore. Kenop Pharmacy. Ochiniba drugstore. Akim Swedoso. Bosume Pharmacy. And Achime Wisasu KB drugstore. Ava one herbal capsules nene mesha peking crime FDA aje ejwedi nkratoya to
Me pa ochaw ehina kukrantu mika ejina. Me kwape kwanya ma me ba wo Bright Senior High School.
Ayo madam metro na ye de ho anso na me ba ko school.
Oh fine. Yes wo mo ya de say.
Enya grow. Me ba no JHS results ba na nya kra. Oh, school choose your kwara mpaso mo fa no. Ai, na Bright Senior High School. Me train ka me de ko na ngoma.
Na wo mo ya courses ben.
Bright Senior High School all secondary courses. General arts, business, home economics, visual arts, general science, agric science, secretariat, and all technical courses. Building and construction, carpentry and joinery, electrical engineering, automobile engineering, draftsmanship, and all vocational courses including driving. Bright Remedial School Suho, Wabafelo baby pennes out in a bar on Felibio, and what Bright Diploma College, and also all diploma programs. Nina Awa Kukrantumi at Chim Eastern Region, forms our all regional post offices and the radio stations Pimu Fred 024 207 1185 and now 0277 147727.
Great Brace.
We surpass all.
Salute! Hey! When we send your police in your draw, Imbusaba Mesa Amama Huaden.
Refuse to grow, and young offense swabek.
And what day immune system or Yankopon, and your ready pediatric Samoya Hubano, and Nasa Wunum Imbusaba Mesa, a peja immune system Nabribia. Ya Yarientimu. Sasa dear, a man for the one, Nedi Imbusaba Mesa, don't what dance yes say, and Yarwa who ran Nipa and Nina Etimi Banaso, and in Yarwa Cassian Kaya Wutini D and a honka. No, Yamwa suing no, a boy who buying every home. And now pa one Yarwana dada, no monum doctor and Rono, and num Imbusaba Mesanoa, and more who are deep pinti. Ya womuntim pose, Yaria Esomo. Imbusaba Mesa, a walk Kanshi, and you may move Bia Yato in row. At to 0246 20 8496. Imbusaba Mesa, police in no Edrono, and Kratway FDA. Asayasiye.
Mido, asa na di fia e hwampao.
Ha, eye ban 20 and ama efia e hwehwe hwamsano.
Eno so ye supira na.
Eye JA binding and call limited. And one more decide nyoma we nyina bedwa so. Enye no nkwampo na wo ho medu so to ho no no. Enyoma ni se bebre.
Nyoma bi te se dan na wo ho.
Ban zo ne nanse nkwada nyoma eni ate se wan. Eye para zo enu na me disie.
Mido, me fan fitira apoto bi de ni nyina afro. Na ade ba de na ahura poto bi de isi.
Eya akasha no na me de atu apopo bibre nyina se no bia. Papa pata susu nyina so ate se wan no.
Nansen awowo ni nyina mpayila. Uhu awowo bia wo fie ha bi.
Medeta wo. Eye JA Binding Snake Reparent na me de atu o masesa no.
Enu omo wo niema papa.
Ban liquid soap na se wo didi wi amedema wa horo won se uhu ana. Ai enu anso na me de wo horo ncha se mu nyina da.
Ene we die me di adanse a kira mansan. Fa no mo wo.
JA Binding wo mo nioma no. Wo benya bi ato wo kuma se takra de tamale ho sunya ne nkokọ wabu ase bonga odan Ghana Commercial Bank enedi enemuhye. Se wo penido so pomu atua. Wo benya bi ewo Kasua Winneba Road ho ankasa na factory no esie.
Ma me number no na mfa nkoma ko nyima no no nso from
0242 771 650 and 0247 576 643.
Me dofo na nso omudi ni body say.
Eye JA Binding and Call Limited.
Ja me dru ho sesia.
Hey, Efia, mi hu wache papa.
Bra, nansen yade a me yade ye. Enya odunfo bi na kire me kumi herbal tea. Ankasa abrei adibone.
Adwuma na aka ho asem ya na.
Ebia.
Kumi herbal tea de eboa ema enkwamo woni paduam gyan na so yie. Na senya hoden ekutie nyarwa hodo a ewo ni paduam. Eye tea bag anopa bia oyi ba ko de tun so hye mu a minute be se du ekosi dunum entem no na wanom. Enwure nso saa bra wode de wi a wo koda. Enipa do pi ananom kumi herbal tea ni bi a wodi ho adanse. Oha hodo bi ewo ni paduam no. Kumi herbal tea ebe afi ho ama. Hyano nso se oba pemfo obi o makoda nufo ana akoda woni mfrinhia edudie edre wontimi enum bi. Ubenya kumi herbal tea ebia to ewe bia oton no ahodo. Kumi herbal tea Yesumo Herbal Center ensano adwuma. Dr. Paul Kumi Minta edaso ya no. Obetimi afre no ewo 0248 716402 0248 716402 ana 0503 785656 0503 785656. Kumi herbal tea ana eye immune system support. FDA age edwedie nkratwe atum. Yes.
from your foreman. Mejuma Sweni, Inti Obia Pemasem. Sa Woody Wajuma Shamisa. Mesha say, Usika and Co-Waste. Inti, me Tomino Manina Free Jump Trading Enterprise. Mr. Mensa, Anna, Chairman Mensan Chain. Enti Sawupe Cement, Gasem, Diamond, Anna say, Simav, Nina, Ubenye be ato, Mr. Mensa, Anna Chairman Mensan Chain. Open Nadwa, all inches, iron rolls, 16mm to quarter rolls, POP, plaster balls, kenoff, Papa Panibi, fiber, set tinting anatetia, open tree barrels, center panels, corner moldings, wall angles, plywood, bind wire, Anna Empo, Opa Butchery paints, home champ, big and as a small size, Nina, Ubenye Biatowo, Champ Trading Enterprise, Mr. Mensa, Anna Chairman Mensan Chain, or Wakameni Junction, on Ijaji and Editioning, from 0208 123 872, and now 0244 566 880. Champ Trading Enterprise, Mr. Mensana, what's a bra, Nani Buono, edit that form.
The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day. The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
Me sonny bio, inti adi chesa, na yedena me sabe como mano. I am a branch ya my bro, na mapusiano se me sonny bio, inti adi chesa, na yedena me sabe como mano. Waha, or Brambo, you as a deity, I'm a bro. We are so me, every minute when you nice you. Dad and you know, I'm really with you. I want here, ranting, yes, my you. Bit fat you, Kumama for you, Siko, Sika Samana, my dying Trimbo, or come free, Messi Matri come free. Where we are Sika, see that I'm in it way. Why I can see how I'm calling with it. Eh, one of one, I'm in a piano key. Stand still in the Anna, still in the animal man, standing a girl. Right, yeah, my bro. Nama Busiano, Simi Sonny Bio. Inti Adia Chesa. Nayadena Misabe como Mano. I am a branch, yeah, my bro. Nama Busiano, Simi Sonny Bio. Inti Adia Chesa. Nayadena Misabe como Mano. A branch, yeah, my bro. Nama Busiano, Simi Sonny Bio. Inti Adia Chesa. Nayadena Misabe como Mano. My bro, Yama Busiano, Simi Sonny Bio, Inti Adia Chesa, Nayadena Misabe Commando, Muntie, our brothers and me, Medim feel one day, me bro, Yasim one son and you, Latina Kaya, Abrabonaya had, and Imia Busia, and I see when you, but I was whooping team out in Mum Quasa, Copin Brown, Slama Baby, Balagatanga, no, what's a club, no, matching a gun, and baby, as you know. So me moon I mean woo. Me have them cats who be beside you. Me go squank any I hate my own move. As you move in I grab more grandma yada brew. Me are an I am a home can any say you. I brought you my bro. Nama Busiano, Simi Sonny Bio. Inti Adia Chesa. Nayadena Misabe como Mano. I am a branch, yeah, my bro. Nama Busiano, Simi Sonny Bio. Inti Adia Chesa. Nayadena Misabe como Mano. A branch, yeah, my bro. Nama Busiano, Simi Sonny Bio. Inti Adia Chesa. Nayadena Misabe como Mano. I am a branch, yeah, my bro. Nama Busiano, Simi Sonny Bio. Inti Adia Chesa. Nayadena Misabe como Mano.
Maybe one, ah, me and me uncle pa no my vanity. I didn't granny as a man, yeah, kaya, mentie. Hey, if I can up on the and I say, free, way, many a whoop at all, mint me, and I mean, yeah, ready. For me pony, tell me why. Never that. Let me see them ready why. Minim near me far why. Two party no follow one girl. Matty. For me pony, tell me why. Never that. Let me see them ready why. Minim near me far why.
KK, me say I promise so. And some men in the Michimo Dawson. Where we are my command the court. See, I want to make a josso. Or send me pa, me to make a shapo. What to make my friend Coco. Munche for me, patron of my control. Some cast a metro in a paper and so. I put pocket shave, I make Rama Kuma, when me through. I say, mini cake in the close school. Me senior tsunami, know you're cool. Me know the boko shop, I free BBI too. Me take body, your cut the rice and stew. With me, Benjamin, dear chef, I'm a say you're brand new from Pro V to shoe. One of goodness, that should be. With me, I'm not in the mirror, you me cool, wow, too. Time in the shower, time I'm free, uptown, bad downtown, with me, bad family, you don't want some correct town. Meaning I said, now, yeah, me, you don't want pounds. Meaning cross and I'm a connection, I bounce. Me say, man, suspect people say, now what you give me, hey, and cranny back can't quit, the chin won't come here. But Fred Bear, my partner, Rasta, food, you don't quench your whistle. But duff on them, my down for down in my town for my yes and food. But to me, come and you won't match my Danny Mumu. KK, so see, I'm in my Danny, was your fool. What say me do? I repeat, KK, me take party. Near cost the rice and stew.
Reggie, for me, Bonnie, tell me why. Let me see, be ready, why. And him near my far why.
Ajashebia aba ni pedemia penny koshe makola ni kejetia kiti ebito ne bibia abrantie yedumadenje waketia sika ne je wa brekita ewum se ye brenya minti dai didida ebinim si mwacha amenamene ti wontruda yenna ye gozo aden abetwe mi moja mataiko dansoma me mamoja mrifa obrane boyedin nse wose bomodin obi su age obi su botomo ye okay sene tie bia broni say no pain no gain say one thing fifra ultimate self contained minti obrafa to me kasa ten sister jaja no me tan kwa the high minyan come fly usuni anto me lie but yeah uni shed to better no up flying tie January February May June July 1999 do and die no go lie with the suffer with the hala chale ala walai e man hu popo abebrese to mofo abrabo munsem otene ho a obetonko asembe be and rushing koti susu bibi and first kan nyina ko bi ba yire ni trophy baby anjo ye ayetare ya ye hot atwa gwen rock cheer me up your spot obi to me jina just a work before thoughts pressure da yenso after you get high thoughts
the mid-morning show have a pleasant day.
Praise the Lord. Alright, so music from OD4 and Rush Mega. Those days now we're production pound. Hey. Okay, so 23 minutes after 11. My Antoine now for young corner and the council and couldn't come on. Young Jump Trading Enterprise in Chenfresh. Now young to a dance here on your man. Sisi isuo na ba form isuo no totopa enti sawanya wa na one pair products papa pa fan isi unyoma ne dia be pa project na be ka dem project na be kan rem call Jump Trading Enterprise na ko cement with the trap blocks me pa isuo to bebrebe bubu blocks no isuo no me say anya ti the other so de woni twa anya tobacco pe be to sa ko pem say yesu beba Mr. Road, Mr. Mensan Jana Cope, Adansi Hunyoma, Cope Simov Cement, Diamond Cement, Gassam Cement, Cope Iron Rose, Cope Nadwa POPs, Plaster Balls, Fiber, Barrels, Center Panels, Corner Moldings, Wall Angles, and a marine board. Nina the board for the answer a quality, Papa. The track on watching Madan Kameni Junction. On it, Jaji and the Dean anymore. Friend was 0208 123 872 now 0244 566 880. Jam Trading Enterprise, Mr. Mensana, or Sebrashesea, na on sort to out. After Yanko from Pon Enterprise, na Yankudija. From Pon Enterprises, Sebrashesea, there were all kinds of mackerels, all kinds of cooking oils, all kinds of tin tomatoes, all kinds of rice, all kinds of biscuits, all kinds of toffees, all kinds of Nestle items, all kinds of detergents, your stationaries, your all kinds of diapers and sanitary pads and baby wipes. Thinking now about Benyabi Mepacho, Oba from Pond Enterprise. I believe I will be on Mepacho Biho from a mall to sugar to Milo to needle to cowbell, beer from Pond Enterprise. It will be. Kohosha see I check on what Madame and there in a hotel. I see a hope and I'll be here. Then Chang also there was a cosmetic shop on my Opie spray and the crowd sent me to the Fahonia. The Opie spray, the Opie cosmetic beer will be an call of our baby. After then, chance on your drink shop on our hall. OG and the bank and so the drink shop back on so ho and to Kohona compare drinks are Opebia over Chamadan new market. Me patch your shop back on so our hands are. And to Fred from Pono 0244-897-525-02064739530242111236. Global School of Aviation Management. Global School of Aviation Management is a bra. Your courses and the Joe and with the whole the mobile. With the whole year, papa. Tourism and Culture Management, a course about hospitality management, maritime management and shipping, passenger handling, and media and communications. All courses are within 6 months for certificates awarded by ICM UK. And Brassesia, now that chain opens air hostess or flight attendant and Quadia, the Global School of Aviation Management, the track wine. Our Kumase, now your requirements need be a SHS certificate, your diploma, HND, and O and A level, and a degree. Yes, also our Global Remedial College or a general art student, business students, science student, visual art student, and a home economic student. Otroy and Koye Obesawa Trubium. This is called Global Remedial College. Special vacation classes at the SHS Fonina. The Kumasi Kenten Chrono Yaben KNUST. Hostel facilities are available. Reach us on 0595-847-184 and 0245-052-168 0553-341-679. Global School of Aviation, the only life-changing institution. Afrakoma Community Hospital. A best hospital PM away in Crampotemo in Cramantemo in a hospital. Ajidi and I say near Nkofwadia 2 Muninano, a Afrakoma Community Hospital. Yawa Amasama Stadium Road. Mepatroy your well-trained doctors and nurses with the best midwives you can think of. And to bra Afrakoma Community Hospital. Na ayare sadie Jo Yafanekwa. Oba ya ready Senate TBA no Dr. Fon Benya Botre afefo ehun baby ehye na wo mama we dru a ewose ye de ma na ahoto ene fa hodi nso eye wo dia. And to Afrakoma Community Hospital, you're the best facilities I ever delay all illness. And now face ye atwo so when will be a true tilt in our Afrakoma Community Hospital, and I said from 24 was 0597005963 Afrakoma Community Hospital na ya gidi ya jabo so ya bonko for mighty power eye juma ewo dompem eye juma won team eye juma ewo mojem mighty power wow ama sabio yare bia wa pebe bia te na watwin bia wo yini hu pie na nwure bia wo yini hu pie no ope mighty power obe na we VIP obe bona gu baby kura mighty power said me pa cho bia wo hye bia no hwehwe wo kira kwan hwehwe mighty power nduro na kira kwan na nunum bia na sa we carpenter ni we driver ni we machine ni we jumaden hwehwe mighty power kira kwan no boa ya was skin ointment nso ho no ma udware wi abetibi dia asra na wo we na toso kama pa yare biara agye dia na fa no mighty power skin ointment ebetu ase ya wo ko duro nso ho kwa so open mighty power ko duro ni bi beboa ma koko nso adwane ye laxative ye fun ayekese constipation sabe which mean jawana open mighty power. And well, not recommended for persons below 12 years and also not for pregnant women and lactating mothers. 0242 725 007 0243 122 192. Mighty Power is hot putty. Don Cool Ventures. I watch him other Sunny Star Plaza Bronson Asiwa. And I'll be who Don Cool Ventures, a wholesale and retail of club and Guinness products. The purchase sales of alcoholic and non-alcoholic beverages, distributors for Casa Precon. The Walombo K20 Black Rock Tonic Wine Dry Gin. The products in a neighborhood for a wholesale prices. And to Bradon Cool say, "Yawa down main road, Sun Star Plaza, Bronson as well." 0555 0555 486 990 0556 252 668 0555 486 990 0556 252 668. Don Cool Ventures. Don Cool Ventures. Right, you have a calling the councillor Coding come on. And the councillor Adwuma-Adwuma I couldn't come on. I see the role of the modern husband and the modern wife. So stay tuned and check. And it councillor Bedin come on. But then check what him say. 6 March Eba. Independent Day Eba. Independent Day Eba the Joe. The Nigerians now. Aha. And yeah, management of level 360 pop. I dream one day as a so we have a dread. Hey, check. We'll move to the area. It's a very independent day party. Charlie me party at you. Last week was the last 2 weeks. I shut up party. Me shut down party beams. I say me call level 360. I met the horse and mass driver that. I mean, a sacra meeting means a bit. My bread, me don't pay money. I am ready.
The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
And this 6 March, there be a party. Kasi ya pa level 360 pop. Ever sub live band be you so than 4 per live band. Ever sub live band be yan koni ane councillor enko din komo. Mane councillor ba makacho say yasa ababiem AFCON is over, so everything is back once again. Then I share the role of the modern husband and the wife. Councillor ba share as ye councillor kwaba.
Kwabna la mejo sonso.
Me ba cho bibia bonko de.
Oh, nyame adom. Ghana Black Stars adom.
Nyame ye da muja nyame. You don't know me fans uncle for no. Titruni konti henene emranti hen da you within you. You don't want to oh, you don't must. But the Valentine Day made me who super. Oh, this is no, you be a purple, Councilman Cancho cry. Oh, you be a pub level 360, level 360. Oh, your mantra. Oh, Intino. A double board now, or send me do few minutes. 6 March, I was down there, or send me do call.
Definitely.
Okay. Right, so 6 March, yeah, planning high life. You share one of the biggest high life musicians in number town.
Oh, okay, that would be very nice.
Yeah,
that would be very nice.
Sure. Yeah, we say, for every petting team, we so pay that form. Yeah, we are in for the executives. Or mom would that form near the end. High life music, yeah. Right, Kasla, yeah, share the role of the modern husband and the wife.
Okay, good. Come now, my main chief for. I mean, you see a people, into me in Komo just because of I can say you may be a bass but in there, mono. May sure say any answer the boy because a few years ago, it gets you at all pa. Timamintia, Ubibia, Namima, Ubibia Fisher. I can't see food in I know say, but even though now, Yama, no, now people are even calling backstage. Now, say canceling the quan and of course, meaning say, but now we are having a lot of impact on others. Yes, the program they cost so high, breaking a because of unity. People were still almost they want to have more insight. Yes, and no saying Quandy Bia said Bia, a bit boy on Muna, yes, we two son among the. Come now, I'm a topic and I'm a day to Janasi, a petty team commono. Send our kind of the modern husband and wife in a marriage, yes. Come now, the modern husband, and now say the modern wife, na me patching. At there for Kunu, and now say at there for Yere. A year no more come down, word may use you.
No.
At there for Indomie for no.
Gen Z's, no.
Okay. It is a cat known for now, or money him for. Come now, you say the world has evolved, and you might be pray accordingly. Send an enyoma a tear cannon, and yes, I tear a memory. If you say, the modern husband, another modern wife, on any wine. Come now, cannon nanka, Bema worry or barrier, ye share, there is a assassin for or war. Ya kase we at the four, ye can hear no and Kase Bema you are Bobra. But and then send ye and Yoma be Adani Dani Suku some and then Yoma be Yenjidiani and Yoma be Nama. This is an Yoma near Dani. Minka say ye die, but a near Dani. In the Ama, they say it's a war and then bring more. That's a Okasa Oko fa. Sa kanen Yomani Nasa, they are worried, they are. Probably do baby no, Minka say, Sinto, the baby, the no baby problem kakra amount. It is say a modern husband, another role of a modern husband. Come now, make you and Yoma be 3-4 me, no matter wife, Nedian. Then him say, oh, what it is, was Sudie, Cassia, say, Obana, one. A Sudie be a was a way in terms of provision. The cap provision is that. Sabe, or never mention, or never punching, and I will cost here, and I will deliver bed fee. When it comes to the provision, say, overshare more banner system, I call now, and you was said here. The modern day husband, I be realize say, Sebi, and no Abusiano, and Tissa Cassia Nibu, a year woo, and no titri. That is wow now the family system and our marriage system now quiet. Because it's a reaction any done. And Tissa can you first no, Nanka, oh, warrior, you say, you still extend your responsibility. And can say a jai. But they say the modern day husband no, has the wife and the children. I get me. Has the wife and the children and some other few members and a war on my heart. But can any be a corner? Nay, Adwuma Kasia Pao. Na a Adwuma Kasia. Into the modern day husband no war. As you say, you have to provide and provide well. Mawajiri. Emmeya ubia sabe send your open no dreams munu send your open so oye no sana ese wo modern day husband you do it yen bi because and then no send your matie no oka se wo ye bi agya bia wan hwe ya enyoma ebe some way yes the modern day husband when it comes to say adere for kunu a waje no wato mu say me ye adere for kunu and the 21st century now me wo mu no the warrior, what should I or what should be expected of me is to make sure you are providing. Can it for no more provide it? But no more than any day, a say, and I say, stressing and not you. But oh, dear, so when you family pedia, then you should be able to provide and provide well. Do it for an extra mile. Don't let your wife lack anything. But now, ni suben bi ni nyoma bi nti say die adewe ana ono na eso yes adewe. The why you watch finish say wa ware no na say won ni next dia. Na say wono na also person oye wo yere dia. Make sure you do the necessary thing. Share na sheni ye.
But what happened?
Good. Now, the next one I want to talk about is protection, the modern day husband and protection. Yes, can I not ever ho, but me timubi, can I not ever ho pa? Now, a kununum bomb or yerenum hobby, near Kata or bo or yerenum or yerenum baya. Now, there was so many forms are no more yet. But in the modern day husband, what do you have to do? But now, if it has to take you to protect your wife from your family, you have to do it. Because they say, Obano, first, maybe I'm a mechanic, the Obana cry, say, Nanka Busia to me, ever support it. Nanka, you won't go for the Mutu, a month. But then acquire Uncle Waffle, Radini, I say, Abua Odiano.
I'm in a prano.
So what they say, and did they say, no, say, who see, who any Ababa way there for Pradia. Now, I was saying, you would have to protect her. Spiritually, physically, emotionally, all these needs, you have to do it. Because they say, acquire, and I'm kind of say, even if it has to go to the extent of protecting her from your family members, my dear, you have to do it. Protect your wife. It is your wife, she is your friend. The first point of call, beginning to be only the first person you're going to call. And if you claim that or your wife there, be there for her in terms of protection. Let her have that necessary. And there be a born and hoping, I'm gonna feel safe, secure in your hands. No, for modern day husband.
But Mr. O, my was a question as it was. Only say a very difficult task to protect your wife over your family. Like I to say. You are choosing your wife over your family. Bibisa inquire some way.
A very brilliant question. Yes. Something I can no. Yes, a very difficult. Say busna what name yakete nkwalabrim ene ubenye zika kofa mami baya. We say right now you are choosing her over yen debi. Kwabenya sana me pache. The me pache ne say you are not choosing her over your family. But at a point in time, no, send an American, a group, a time, American say, Caneno, send a Canelo Busian in a team, but a nano, in a single. And protecting your wife, no, first, now, will be to me, both room to me anything at any time. Will be to me, both room, Sabi, our day, my same be I, it's me, frame will be at an against Reba. But in you may be why, they say, no. Then you are a matured man now. Because they say you can adopt to save your marriage. So when you say that you are choosing your family over, you are choosing your wife over your family.
Right.
But you now have to do things that will protect, because when she is safe, you are also safe. And she said, the wood giant and soon program, the wood giant man now for program, but then you are not making the home a fertile ground for your wife. And as a modern day husband, no, you need to do all these things. Make sure you are protecting your wife. Be able to make sure you are protecting, got your back. Be able to have what's in the next. Then be on the cat, you can't say. Wife, you know, the member almost so. You don't know what they say. They are not really doing it. And you would let them say now, oh, yes. When you're always getting a protection, now you'll be this year. And I'll go fine. And you will some upon it after. And I will some at it for Saturday. Obianka so be none better. Then to make sure, as a modern day husband, no, therefore, Kuna, what they are told to do. Make sure that you are protecting her. in the light of all this, they are only someone different, but don't allow interferences. And then I'm present the man at your point here. Don't allow interferences from the outside. Say a big program up a stand, David. Other man will feel it or feel it unsafe and insecure. Don't allow that. Don't entertain that. Problems are going to happen. Nobody is saying that this is if you're bad, but know how you communicate, know how you talk, know how you react, allowing the family members to know who should hear, how should it be treated. So your modern day husband and now wife, husband now saying there's a working. Can then they give it will be anyhow, anytime. But then no answer who said it is you and your wife. So what any year and you move you, and year and you move you, maybe I am fine for because it takes two to fight. And no 15 preoccupation or two will say, will be and no near no true and dinner again some are quiet. If you make sure you are protecting her in any form, I'll bet you.
Matthias,
okay, so let me move on to when it comes to leadership. And then the modern day husband to take up the man, you can't say leadership now. How are you leading your family? The nuclear family now make one something. In terms of again, say what is because my feel and a lot of responsibilities you want to do. I gave you a very much taking action crowd or put an area. Then can say and you don't advice. But some decisions are meant to be for men. Some decisions, I was said, that man is sitting here, and in a penny for book every day. So back to Tia, and I remember them, and I remember. It is no matter what, you are the man of the house. Discredit the fact that your wife has money than you, and you are allowing her to take major decisions in the house. No. It is never here or there. Then to talk to your man, a modern day husband should know that you are the leader who needs a Christianity. If you don't allow the fact that your wife is providing, doesn't mean that your wife should take all major decisions. You have to step up. No money would say, and you won't know that one, no, now pay no one day, no, so if that link, if break you off, no Bible take you have that position there. But now then you are not a modern because and you might be a man happen and then say which now that freedom net to the time is coming now. But now you will lose control. You will lose control. And the will lose control so but then there's a divorce as a man here can. But we don't want to see that. We are not encouraging that. So in terms of everything, the day ever possible feel a bema busiano, after the Yama Bemuno, and they say, you will lead, you will take charge, be in charge of everything. One night, young men American men can say, you don't take advices of your wife or whatsoever, Debbie, yes, an American. You say, a foot you far, but then the person can say, you will know maybe I am man said here. So if you are lacking, and then man, they look out for so many things. It is search for those things that your wife is looking for and lead them to achieve it. But I'm what
Matthias,
wife, if one no say yes, even though it is their major visions, but you want to take charge and help them to achieve. That is leadership. You go to Cuba, you can't say homework. Like you are teaching the child a whole lot. It is you where you are studying and can't tell me say only ne maame na de bi omo fie nti only the only maame ne David yanya ne sa wo ye sa da akola ne won formative stage the maame ne be ka tell ni ato ni trim lifestyle bi maame ne be puti abunda ato mo friend trim into who ne say eno na ye ma no to onyi nyina no gradually ebi papa no be fia onye ma wo but maame wo ho an wo ye mo Mamma no should be your own country because every and should be on this woman. But who as a father now wouldn't even say, this is how I want my children to be. Maybe I make a how you want your children to be, you shouldn't dream of it, but you put into practice. But now now you throw away your responsibility. You don't leave yourself to that task. Now to what maybe I wish. You ask nothing about education. That is what a modern day husband. Nothing concerns you. Our best, you know, just say, see, acquire master. You ask nothing about the children. You only say, maybe I provide, I pay school fees, I do that. No, you are not a modern day husband. But now you are lacking. You are losing a lot of things when it comes to leadership. Because my many no palana who say Otina, so people who are wanting of bar, my many the Tumitina say, they have a lot of hope in their mother than you. But I was saying, Kawo and a Ubetina, or corner be this two of wanting of the car. My many show a lot of concern than you. Would the audience have a question, Mama Ba, I provided food bank school, Mother Debbie. Balani in about the two said, almost no mammy in the school fees. Because Omu would that, so of the school of the school fees that. Omu would that so discussion on Sunday. Omu would that so what to film on. But if you are on the way at that for the Diana, someone who knows school fees who knows books who know auto, or banning can't that. Say, where the old mammy, I hope upon a on country of Canada. So all they know, they are from a state, that the old mammy or the mouth. The BC was school near Fra, the Frama Ameno, the Fra with that. You are losing something. And in terms of leadership, needed, but now, 10 of a person may come with them. But I remember, wife,
I can't 8 minutes. I hope say wait to me, that baby.
Okay, you find your wife, wait my come, man, the bed 3. It's a man of a form word and a pay. Let me talk about the wife also, Kaka. Now, when it comes to the being a modern day wife, yes, I manage the Anna for them in number 3 because one can hear some for that.
Sure.
I open once a month. No, not the after from 10 years. Good. Open once and just under the wife, I always say this, the wife is just a machinery of support. The Biameka asking me, say, Obani, you didn't buy, say, one map, wow, not achieve the officer only near. Yes, it is all your modern day wife. Now, power dear him, and I wonder. Now, now you don't have the concept of help. Only the idea of help. It is not neither here or there. You are not supposed to. Don't go near your major aim. You didn't even go in there to give birth. And now one thing you go, you went there to help. At the end of the day, both of you achieve your dreams. And you wouldn't get there, help, because you're born, you're so a helper, you're a wife, you're a helper. If you do a deal, what the fast anything, when you big that, acquire Bema and Kwa, is your way I am Bema, is your by a Bema, is your say a Bema, Sabi. And young Mampa and your Mema said, it's a Mema in the air. Then please, I don't know how you call yourself, because we are TV, so you feel sad, saying I'm sure TV, you say, the share me see where you say, no, Mrs. I know money and to son as a wife, but I'm a daughter in
Meton cover.
I am not the Deka a more abandoning. Good. I don't more breaking, you know, Anna, a Taboba. So this is what I'm saying. At the end of the day, you are even as a wife, as a supporter, as a helper. It is a woman, not a beyond which type of bear man is what. Now, title name, go back and look at it. Send a title, and give you a woman. So be mouth package, will be Valde, will be packaged divided. Who be so rested anyway. And money, and you just why I say a helper. And to you may be a woman in an say, you are supporting your wife. emotionally, you are helping her physically, you are helping him, you are helping him, whatsoever, spiritually, what year support. But when you start any through her, Emma, there be our own into war, there be anything, there be any accusations and so on. I say, you are leading yourself into. You are, even if the Sadian in Oya, who as a wife, how have you been able to help him out of it? Wouldn't the question and don't set a problem not solve you. It is better you help your husband out. Because a member, as emotional as you are, they need a lot of things which they will never speak up. It is a wound name. Now you are just say, my husband is always okay. My husband is always okay. On the time of I know. On the put any responsibility on the boss one. On the Bema for the fool, on the BPO. You are losing something. You are losing something. But then the next one I want to talk about, the time of compliment. Yeah, I love it.
Right.
Hey, a modern day wife should look at personal growth. At therefore, look at your personal growth and independence. Men can say, I know my rights, Debbie. That independence I make on honor. And yes, I'm a patcher, and yes, I'm a funny below. A 6 months in India. Oh, pay independence, I'm a gun of food in the enemy, the pay independence, I'm my own. You may person say your personal growth. I want to know who come next when this is up to your next. But now we know what we are, what's happening. And then buy. A day in a buy. And that's what they hear from career women. Yes. Your what they want to say, what better than crossing? Your personal growth, your self-esteem, and what's the next thing when you want to achieve in life. Make sure, say you want as a wife, when you with the help, but what they are not achieve that target. Because the problem is, we are teaching me, not Kabana, we are next. Sabi, you say, Putobum, Shebum, Nina, Pansen Kuma. And you say, so, the way I'm put I want to get the right problem. So, may talk now to discover me as well. Become in harm.
Sure.
Because we first want is a helper. If you just school fees, now they can crab money this year. But now when you're money, a modern day wife doesn't think about some of these things. Tell me the big or say, one will be school fees, one will be to say, into media and say, share one account as a material. Don't put pressure on your husband. When you can pop also yes can. When you be real, but so when you can crabby through war, and when also being that take a cram out. What the nephew no abong because on spending that number of hours, ain't process you can invest in. It turns out we are watching say want to support you, and a papa na journey here always looking out for money. It makes us say now your personal growth, and don't me tell your modern day wife now we are our day more. The hairdresser and not see it too and this one. I mean. Seems certain after also yet now we year. It's remain tunkune. Coani zero Mauku Mo. Now to me, now when ye next year returns in the bar. The two of you are going to enjoy. Don't go into the marriage with an aim say, I wanted to be this. Now see our DNT and my friend I'm a woman, but kill a dream no. Oh boy, you are not a modern day wife. But the last one is respect and equality. Respect, check out a respecter. They be a casa at them. Modern day wife say, any woman from Kunimuyashi. Caneno, Pabna Usrumpu. Pabna say, Caneno Usrumpu. Young to one was Semumpu.